Hi, Shaz here. I'm a property investor, tax accountant and an entrepreneur, and today I want to share with you some strategic insights on how to enhance the value of properties in the UK geared towards maximizing returns on investment. Now, whether you're looking to sell for profit or increase rental income, these strategies have proven to deliver a solid ROI. Strategy number 1. First up, we're talking kitchen and bathroom upgrades. Picture this: you step into a property and the kitchen and bathroom sparkle with modernity. Upgrading these areas can work wonders for boosting your property's appeal. Think stainless steel appliances, chic quartz countertops and stylish bathroom fittings. By investing thoughtfully, say between £7,000 to £15,000, you could potentially raise your property's price by a staggering £10,000 to £20,000 depending on how much you invest, and that translates into a substantial return on your investment. If you're selling and if you're looking to rent, your property becomes more marketable, so you'll get better and higher rent for it. Number 2, imagine buyers or tenants walking into a property and being greeted by the future, a home control at their fingertips. This is where smart technology steps in. Smart home systems that manage lighting, security, climate and other appliances and fittings in a house can be a complete game changer. A wise and sensible investment of say around £2,500 to £5,000 can potentially add anywhere from £5,000 to £10,000 of additional value to your property. And it is important to remember to do your research first, as not every demographic is keen to embrace technology and smart home features. Strategy 3. Sometimes it's the small touches that leave the biggest impact and impression. A fresh coat of neutral paint, updated lighting, inviting outdoor spaces can work magic. A cozy seating area outside, inviting potential buyers to envision their life there. With an investment of anywhere say from £1,000 to £2,500, these small enhancements could very well contribute to a higher property value and a faster sale or lease agreement. Strategy number 4. Space equals value. Converting unused space into bedrooms can significantly amplify your property's value. Perhaps think of converting a loft or basement into a functional bedroom with its own ensuite bathroom, or if you have a basement, you can turn it into a cinema room or a games room. This kind of change could cost you between £10,000 to £15,000. Again, depending on the size, it could be a bit more, but it could potentially increase the value by an impressive £20,000 to £30,000, or increase rent from anywhere from £150 to £300 per month. So it's well worth doing. Efficiency and eco-consciousness are in demand and mandated by the government for rentals. However, enhancing energy efficiency through insulation, double glazed windows, energy efficient appliances isn't just as responsible as it could be, because you can do more. It isn't just being responsible, okay, it adds value and can add anywhere from £5,000 to £8,000 to the value of your property, and it helps you stay compliant with regulations, and it helps you to move towards a greener future, and it makes your property more marketable and appealing. So remember, fellow entrepreneurs and property investors, as you navigate through these strategies, it's vital to conduct thorough research, plan meticulously and understand the pulse of local property market demands and needs. Each strategy holds the potential to increase your ROI, but your success will be influenced by factors such as location, trends and buyer preferences. By assessing costs, the additional increase in value and market changes, needs, dynamics, you'll be well on your way to elevating your property investment to a newer height and adding a lot of good value in terms of ROI and additional money in the bank if you're selling a property. And as I mentioned, when you add everything up, you could quite easily increase the value by £30,000 by not spending that much money. It's just you having an eye for detail and knowing what small changes impact to a much higher return. And also remember, property is only as valuable as someone is willing to pay for it. There will be limits to how much you can increase the value in certain areas, because there's a ceiling for certain properties, and there may be a demand for certain things, or there may not be a demand for certain things. And if you add those things, it might not work too well. But even in that case, if using my earlier example, if 30,000 doesn't work, you could quite easily increase the value by 10 to 15,000 pounds by doing some of the small cosmetic changes. So there you have it, my friends, a comprehensive guide to boosting property value and achieving outstanding returns on investment, which are reasonably easy to implement once you know what you're doing and what you're looking for, and it makes your property more appealing. You can rent it quicker, you can sell it for more, you can sell it quicker, and it's going to give you a whole bundle of joy, because you are going to improve the outlook of the property, and you're going to help somebody else enjoy the benefits of the work that you do, whether you're renting or you're selling. So until next time, bye for now.